Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs Bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs Bundles module. And today we are going to talk about a unique bundle, the 3D Flipbox. The 3D Flipbox, it's one of the sub bundles in the Paragraphs Bundles module. Quick recap, the Paragraphs Bundles module is the upgraded version for the W3 CSS paragraph, and it requires paragraphs module and field group module. I have these two modules installed on my local, and let's go and start the first bundle. And this one will ask you to install the parent. You say yes. And after we install, let's go and see what is that bundle actually exactly. So structure, paragraph types, and that's what it is. That's the bundle. So I have a content type, and inside that content type, I added a paragraph field. So let's go and add content. And the 3D flip box, as you see now, it's just one of the UI you can use on a website to represent some data. It shows some different data when you hover over on the top of it. So it has front and back, as you see here. And the front, it's a paragraph bundle. Both of them, these two fields are paragraph field, sorry. So you can enter anything if you'd like to enter image or text or something like this. So that's what it is. I'm just gonna go and enter. Let's go and enter. Actually, we can do image. So let's enable the other bundle, the image bundle. So we have a way to add an image to this one. You could add to text, it doesn't really matter, but I want to have in the demo an image. So let's now go a content add, basic page. Here's the title, let's add, and then we need to add this one. And for any paragraph bundles, as usual, you'll see content and display content. It has the content display, it has the display field. So as you see here, those are the 13 default fields plus 2 are required for the specific bundle. The height for the bundle, because everything is fixed, and the way how you want this one to flip. So if you want it to be flip horizontal or vertical, very straightforward, not that much really. So let's add an image, and this is the front. And now let's add back content, add a text. I'm just copying some text. And that's the text. I'm just gonna save. I didn't change anything, I didn't pick anything, just the default out of the box. So you see exactly without playing with any other features. So that's what it is. So when you see here, that's what it is. That's the 3D flip box. So this one, it's set to horizontal. So if we go now, let's go and play with some of the features you have. So you have here inside, as usual, you have the children and you have the parent. The parent is the blue, the children is the green. So here, if you'd like to have, let's collapse this one. As I recommended before, you could add color to the parent. I'm gonna add some color, add some padding. Max width, let's do it 600. I'm gonna do now horizontal, shadow. What else? I think that's good enough for now. And we'll click save. And that's what you see here. It is. So that's the animation you get. You could always use it in any on the side or on front or feature box or something like that. This is the 3D flip box. I hope you liked the demo. See you on the next one.